Welcome to this key-ready south-facing ground-floor apartment, featuring 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering beautiful views of the swimming pool. Enjoy exceptional outdoor living with 2 expansive terraces to the front and rear, ideal for both sun exposure and shaded relaxation. This remarkable offer includes furniture, air conditioning, electrical appliances, and a dedicated parking space. The apartment is situated in Villamartin, within an exclusive development of 40 residences, complete with terraced areas, a large swimming pool, landscaped gardens, and ample parking facilities. Located between Villamartin and Punta Prima, this is an ideal holiday destination, with a wide array of cafes, restaurants, supermarkets, and beaches to choose from.